Okay, instead of the One Health Pass, now it is the eARRIVAL card. So just click on the register, go to Foreign National, then scroll down and check mark and hit continue. So this is straightforward. Just go ahead and put your information in. So the date that you departure, just put that in, and then your arrival date. Coming from the U.S. is 1 day ahead. Select the airport. In my case, I'm going to Manila and Terminal 3. All this information will be on your itinerary. So make sure you have all your information ready. Your itinerary. You're going to need your vaccination card information. And that's it. It's pretty simple. All right, so let's finish. Put passenger. Then you go and put in you're vaccinated. You're here for a holiday or vacation. How many days? If it's 14 days, 21 days, wherever. Select your airline, and then you want to put in um, your flight number. So if you got a connecting flight, put that connecting flight information. So if you stop in Hong Kong, then the flight from Hong Kong. All right, put your name in. You don't have to put your middle name. Just remember, everything that has a red asterisk, that's what you want to fill out. Go ahead and put your date of birth, your country code, which is USA. But if you're single or married, again, put your nationality in. Put in American. Again, make sure you have your passport ready because you're going to need that information also. So put your passport number in. Now you want to put your email in also, which is next. And make sure you have an email that you can access just in case the information, your barcode or your QR code doesn't come in. But I recommend taking a screenshot as soon as you submit and save that. You don't have to have a printed copy, so you can go ahead and screenshot that. And again, all this information is straightforward. Don't be afraid. Just put that in. You will put your country code in. The United States is 1. So you put that in. And guys, please remember to subscribe. I'm going to need for you guys to go on this journey with me. Subscribe. I need to get my subscriber count up. And share it with your friends and family. And turn on that notification because I'm going to be doing a lot of videos in Philippines. So put that notification button on. All right, put your contact number in here. I'm going to put any kind of contact number. And then again, select uh, your country. You can put in whatever you want. You can put in Los Angeles. You can put in Florida, wherever you're from. Put in your education level. I don't know why they want that, but there you go. Put your hotel information in that you're staying at. Uh, and when you look for Manila, it's going to say Metro Manila. Manila. I had a little problem looking for it. I was looking for Manila, but it's Metro Manila. So that's why it's good to look at this video because it took me a little while to find it. I was just looking for MA, and it's Metro, ME. What city? Makati is where I'm going to be in. That's central. It's like the Beverly Hills of Manila. Staying at the Peninsula Hotel, Makati. All right, and then put in your when you get your COVID vaccination. So again, they want you to have booster right now. Again, that's probably going to change now. Probably as long as you're vaccinated, you should be probably as good. But I went ahead and get vaccinated so I can go on this trip. So just in case, so gotta have be boosted. So let me be boosted. All the other countries are open now. You don't have to have to show any proof of vaccination. Southeast Asia, as far as Thailand or um, Cambodia, you don't have to worry about it. Even Vietnam, Japan just opened up. You don't have to have a tourist. So again, I'm just filling in all the information as we go. Again, the booster, put that information in. All right. So and just put in information from all your vaccines. Pretty straightforward. Again, this is a easy process. For my case, I did Pfizer for everything to keep it consistent. You don't have to put the country codes in there. Just skip that. And that's it. Just hit submit and you'll be all ready. But please subscribe, hit that like button if you find this valuable, and look for my next video. My next video is going to show you how to pack for Philippines. Everything you need for packing. All right, so that's it. See you in the next one, guys.